about. We are out and about. Actually, we got up today. We were supposed to go grocery shopping for Christmas and for the house, and we were supposed to go to the gym. That was first. It did not work out that way at all. We ended up, instead of going to the gym, we ended up going to the grocery store, getting the stuff for Christmas, because I decided to go. I ended up getting the stuff that you guys saw in the last clip, the gluten-free stuff, and we're gonna try that. I got some almond flour to try to fry the chicken in that. And what else did I get? What else we pick up at? We picked up some gluten-free brownies and cornbread. I can't remember what else, but we hit at the Publix now. We got all of that stuff from Aldi. We hit at the Publix to get a couple more things. But yeah, that's basically how this day is gonna go. We probably gonna come back and watch some movies. It is Saturday, so tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and then of course Christmas I'm off. I'm excited. I'm actually off a couple times this week, so that's good or whatever. But yeah, all in all, that's what we're gonna be doing. I think I might, on Christmas, I might watch some Christmas movies. We're gonna see how I'm feeling. But yes, you guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm going to go get me a drink from Starbucks, so I'll let you guys know what I end up getting. All right. I got my drink. Y'all know I'm doing the gluten-free and dairy-free. So I got the white chocolate mocha frozen, and it's no whipped cream, and I got it with coconut milk. It tastes pretty good. If you're looking for something different to try that. I don't know if this is a holiday drink or not, but anyway, all right, we're going to Publix now. If y'all have not tried Publix garlic butter, oh my god, y'all don't know what you're missing out on. I'm gonna have to show y'all. I don't think I did a clip with it in the video, so I'm gonna have to show y'all. But they got garlic butter in like a little white thing. So freaking good. It's real garlic. It's not like seasoned. It's seasoned, but it's not just seasoning. If you understand what I'm saying. It's like actually real garlic in it. It's so good. Y'all should try it out. Y'all, so it's Christmas Eve. I just started cooking. I actually just got back in the house because I had to run back to Publix again. But I'm cooking. I just started cooking. Well, I started last night actually. I made my kale last night in the slow cooker. So I let that cook overnight, and now I'm frying some chicken, and I'm using almond flour. So we'll see how I like that. This is it right here. This is the almond flour. So that's what I'm using. And we're going to see how we like it. It's gluten-free, keto-friendly, and it's low carbs. So I'm making greens. I just said that. Fried chicken, ham, stuffing, and yams. Yeah, so that's it. Not nothing too tough. I actually took off of work today. I decided not to go in because I'm not about to cook and be working and be tired as I don't know what. So I just decided to take the day off. Me and hubby gonna watch some movies, and we just gonna enjoy our Christmas Eve and Christmas. So yep, I'll check in with y'all later. All right, y'all, it is Christmas Day. I just got finished, me and hubby just got finished wrapping up a video for you about our review on Carnival. So we're getting ready to sit down and have Christmas dinner, so you guys can look forward to that. I'll show you guys what I made, and yeah, you guys stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. All right, so we got chicken, which everything is still cold. I gotta heat it up. Oh no, sorry, it's not chicken. This is the ham and the yams, and then we got chicken right here. Chicken. Ooh, we got deviled eggs that I did not make. Bought them from the store this time. We got greens, and then we got stuffing, which is gonna go in here. And then I got the gluten-free donuts, and I was gonna make these brownies and cornbread. That's over here, but I'm not doing that right now. So, yep, that's what we eating. Hey y'all, hey. First of all, I am tired, so I'm probably headed to bed early, but I wanted to show my face on camera because I don't think I've vlogged in a couple of days. I'm actually just chilling right now. Me and hubby went to Longhorn earlier today. I had me a steak. I haven't had steak in a while. No, I actually haven't had steak since the cruise, but I had it before then. I had it. Child, I'm tired. I hadn't had it before then, so that's the reason why I'm saying that I haven't had it in a while. But yeah, so today I did work my part time. I've also been doing quotes and stuff like that. I'm working on some other projects. Hopefully, you guys saw me post in the community tab on in the community tab, if you guys pay attention to that, basically that I've started some new projects. I am working on a new channel. So if you guys haven't yet, go ahead over there and follow that channel. That channel will basically be travel only. It's Dream Travel TV here on YouTube. And you guys can follow that if you want like tips and information on travel. It will be all things travel that will be covered on there. It is an automation channel, so you won't necessarily see my face and stuff like that, but it will be full of information. So go ahead over there and check that out. But yeah, that's all. I think I'm going to actually do my hair. This right here was like a quick hairstyle. I don't know if I showed you guys this before, but this is actually a wig. It is a mohawk wig. And I will actually drop the link down below for this for anybody who wants to get one. It is my second time wearing this, and I really like this. It's a quick hairdo. I don't know if you guys seen, but I actually have a French braid just going down, or you can cornrow your hair however you want, and just put this thing on. It's really cute, quick little style to wear. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm thinking I'm going to head to bed because I'm tired, but I'm going to take this out and do my hair over. And I'll show you guys that too when it's done. But yes, I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to close the video out here, the vlog out here, but yeah, I have some other content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm super excited. I hope you guys have been enjoying everything, and I'll catch y'all later.